guys, welcome back to Ultima Beauty. Today's look is of my favorite drink. It's a pumpkin spice latte inspired makeup look. I figured since pumpkin spice is making an appearance in pretty much everything, why not do a makeup look inspired by it? I don't care if liking pumpkin makes me basic or whatever you want to call it. I love it. Today I had to do my own voiceover because there's too much happening outside, neighbors building a house, lawn mowing, all that. But I hope you enjoy this video, so here it is. Starting out with my trusty Almay foundation and some Urban Decay primer. Just so the orange color goes on nice and opaque, so it's not too sheer. Then using my Life's a Festival palette from Too Faced, taking the Sunset Dream color there on a Real Techniques space brush, and then just placing that on the lid, blending as we go, trying to get a nice saturated orange shade. Then using a shadow eyeliner stick in a nice brown color, run that through the crease. Don't worry about being too neat because we're going to blend it out anyway. Sorry if you hear all the cars in the background. Taking a nice blending brush, run that over the shadow, blending it out. Taking a matte brown color, this one's from MAC. Run that into the crease as well, just to give a little dimension. Using a bronze eyeliner, run that along the top lash line. Take an angled eyeshadow brush and some of the brown shadow that you used in the crease and run that along the brown eyeliner on top, just to make it a little matter. And taking the same brown eyeliner pencil, put that in the lower waterline. And then take more of the orange shadow that we put on the lid and run that along the bottom lash line. Taking a mascara from Pure Cosmetics, just brush that on the top and bottom lashes. Using the highlighter in the Life's a Festival palette, and a brush from Coastal Scents, put a little bit of icing on top of that pumpkin So we'll run that through the brow bone. Using a contour shade from NYX. Run that along. And an angled brush from Luxie. And blend it in. This is an eyeshadow. Probably not the most genius idea to use it the way I do here, but I used it as sort of an orangey highlighter. And then I used more of the Unicorn Tears highlighter from Too Faced, just to go over that, make it a little more frosty. Using that orangey blush from Coastal Scents. And just pop that on the cheeks, sort of blending everything together. A lip liner from Beautique, which is from Sally Beauty Supply, in a darker shade, because what is pumpkin without some cinnamon? An orange lipstick from NYX, and just fill in the lips with that. There we go, we have our finished pumpkin spice latte inspired makeup look. Lots of fun. I think I'm gonna go grab a pumpkin spice latte right now. Sounds like a good idea. Thank you so much for watching. Check back next week for my next drink inspired look. Bye!